How to check block list on WhatsApp iPhone. So all you have to do is to go here to your WhatsApp application and you will be led here to your chat section. Now here in your chat section, you will see all your chats, your conversation. Now on the bottom part, you will see five different options. You will see status, calls, communities, chats, and settings. So all you have to do is tap on the settings or the gear icon there, and it will lead you here where you can see avatar, stored messages, linked devices, account, privacy, chats, notifications, storage and data, help, and tell a friend. Now what you want to do is to tap on the privacy here. Now under privacy, it will look like this where can see the last seen online, so on and so forth. Now if you scroll down, you will see blocked here, and as you can see, I have blocked two contacts. Now if you tap on that, you will see all the blocked accounts that you have actually blocked. And basically that is how you check block list on WhatsApp iPhone. And that's it. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.